Hello SKB Diary. The Lucas Mill is more than simply a sawmill, it's a game changer for woodworking enthusiasts. Imagine being able to transform enormous logs into neatly milled lumber with precision and ease. This portable sawmill is designed for the most difficult work, but it's surprisingly simple to use. Whether you're deep in the woods or in your own garden, the Lucas Mill provides high-quality cuts while saving you time and money. For anyone who works with wood, it's more than simply a tool, it's a gateway to limitless creativity. The Norwood Lumbermate Pro is the ultimate tool for transforming raw logs into beautiful lumber. This sturdy, portable sawmill is designed for customers who require excellent performance and versatility, whether they are making furniture or building a cabin. Its precision and customization choices give you complete control over every cut, transforming even the toughest hardwoods into smooth, straight boards. Imagine the joy of transforming raw timber into something absolutely remarkable, all while using the Norwood Lumbermate Pro. The Peterson Pacific 4800 is a beast of a machine, engineered to handle the most demanding logging operations with unparalleled power and efficiency. This heavy-duty sawmill does more than just cut timber, it dominates it. The Peterson 4800 is designed for speed, precision, and durability, and it quickly transforms large logs into neatly milled boards. Whether you're on a tight deadline or working in the harshest forests, this machine adds muscle and finesse to every job, making you feel unstoppable. The John Deere 843 liters feller buncher is a formidable presence in the forestry business. This machine is built for power and precision, and it can take down trees with incredible speed and control even in the most challenging terrain. Its innovative hydraulic system and enhanced stability provide operators with a seamless experience, allowing them to work more quickly and safely. With the John Deere 843 liters, you don't just cut trees, you dominate the forest, making difficult chores seem easy. The Tigercat 724G falling machine raises the bar for speed and power in forestry operations. Imagine slashing through trees with razor-sharp precision, all while sitting comfortably in a machine designed for ease and control. With a high-capacity shear head and a powerful hydraulic system, the 724G cuts through even the toughest timber with exceptional efficiency, increasing production with each cut. Its quickness in dense woodlands, along with its tough durability, make it excellent for the most difficult duties. The Tigercat 724G is more than simply a machine, it's a force of nature that transforms the most difficult felling projects into an unstoppable timber flow. The Ponsse Bear is the ultimate heavy-duty harvester designed to handle the most difficult forestry operations with ease and precision. Imagine large trees being felled and processed with ease by its strong harvester head, all while you remain in perfect control thanks to its innovative ergonomic cabin and intuitive controls. With unrivaled stability and strength, the Bear thrives in large-scale logging operations, even in the most difficult terrain. Whether you're harvesting timber in dense forests or climbing steep slopes, the Ponsse Bear is designed to dominate, providing unrivaled power, efficiency, and dependability in every operation.